the last session, we have started discussion on NBA designer template and creating of application we have discussed. But in today's session, demo class 2, we'll see how to create the application by drafting a document. Along with that, we have discussed a little bit about business taxonomy in the last session, right? So now in today's session, we'll see what is the importance of business taxonomy and what are different places to define it. Under this business taxonomy, what are different rules you can define, okay? And after creating the business taxonomy, where you need to refer it, all those things we'll cover in today's session. So we'll start it, okay? So first, I'll try to create a document, because when you log into this cloud edition, what are the navigations you need to follow? Actually, I have shown you everything in the last session, but today I will draft those in the Word document. Okay, that document we will share with you. So I'll create this one. Working with application creation in Pega CDH framework. Okay, in the Pega CDH framework. Now, first, before going to create this application related implementation layer, first you need to know how to log into Cloud Edition, right? So that also I will draft here. Okay, now here, if we want to create an application, first we need to log into PDN account. Okay, PDN account, so that it will allow us to launch any of the Amazon challenge. Okay. First, we'll try to log in, and then we will create an application. Okay. So all those things step by step we'll cover. Anyhow, today we connected 10 minutes late, right? The 10 minutes also I will cover here. So that first, if you want to log into PDN account, what are the navigations we need to follow? We need to launch any of the Chrome. Okay. So I'm just logging. Try to search for pdn.pega.com. Okay. So in the any of the browser, try to search for pdn.pega.com. Okay. So this is the screenshot I'm giving. And then just click on this one. Here, try to open first link. Okay. Try to open either first link also fine, or 1 minute. This screenshot also I will add. Okay. So now this is how the screen looks like. If you go here, 1 minute. It is very new to use this GoToMeeting because of the this Zoom. 1 minute. Okay. Try to open the link. Now here at right top corner, we can see an icon. Okay. Then at this right top corner icon, you just try to log in if you have an account. Otherwise, you need to sign up to create the account. Okay. So if you have, maybe definitely everyone will have this PDN account. So if you have PDN account, try to log in. Try to log in with the credentials. Okay. So click on login. Okay. So this is my ID. That's what I'm just logging with that. Click on next. Enter the password. Enter password and verified. Okay. Then wait for some time. Then this will give you like this. Okay. So here, this is how we logged into our PDN account. Now to navigate to the dashboard, to open Mission Challenges. Mission Challenges. Click on training. Okay, click on training. Here you have training, right? Now select my dashboard. Click on training and here select my dashboard. So I'm trying to tell you everything from scratch because few people may don't know how to launch these instances and all, right? So that's what. Click on my dashboard. Okay. Now this is generally looks like this to my profile, but for your profile it will not display like this because I have added this mission challenge in my dashboard. Instead of that, if I try to delete this one, let's say from my dashboard this mission is removed, then if you want to add this mission, okay, you need to search here with the name of decisioning consultant. Okay, then this will give you that mission challenge and you can add into your profile. Do I need to add that screenshot here also? Any one of you please confirm me once, or is it okay to proceed?
Yeah, it's good.
It's okay, right? Okay then. So that I'll try to add because I have removed that. And yeah, 1 minute. Now go to this one, search bar, decisioning consultant. Okay. With this name, if I search, whatever the matching related list that will give you. Okay. So by click on this plus icon also, you can add this mission to your dashboard. Now I'm trying to add this mission to my dashboard. Now just go back to my dashboard once. Okay. Now here double click on this decisioning consultant. Okay. Here open decisioning consultant mission. Okay. Now this is how it looks like. In this mission challenge, scroll up, you can see different missions are available. So each is associated with different purpose. So in this Pega Customer Decision Hub Foundation, This will describe about different modules. Okay, inside of this cross sell on web, if you want to display the offers on website or some kind of offer related configurations, you can do in the cross sell mission challenge. Okay, so related to cross sell on web extended, if you wanted to extend any kind of properties or to work with the services and all, this mission will help you. And if you want to configure channel related configurations, okay, that you can do here. And one-to-one customer engagement here, what we can do, arbitration related rules, all these things you can do in this mission challenge. Okay, so any of mission challenge you can launch to do practice. Getting my point here? Now here, to launch CDH application wizard, you can select any of the mission. Okay, any of the mission here. Now I'm selecting here cross sell on web. Cross sell on web. I'll do one thing. This link also I'll try to share in the Zoom link. Okay, in the Zoom meeting, I will share this link in the chatting window. Please try to check it. Okay, so I have shared this link also. Please check this and do copy it. After that, try to open this cross sell on web. Okay, so now in this cross sell on web mission, we have different modules and module related challenges. Now, if any of the challenge you launch, you can able to log into application as a decisioning architect or data scientist role, or with some other operator IDs, you can able to log it. Okay, so now here try to open any of the challenge. Okay, so double click on it to open this challenge, because if you want to work with the application, you need to launch any of the mission related challenge. Okay, then when you click on this mission related challenge, scroll up here, you can able to see login ID, like a user ID and password. So if you are launching here, generally I'm working on this PDN related application, right? So that's what this is giving me two options, either to reset Pega instance or wake up your instance for this challenge. So as of now, I'm selecting this one, but for you, this will not give you like this. This will give you start your instance to launch any of the challenge like this. If you attended yesterday session, that also I have shown you, but today we'll see how to proceed further. Okay, so it will take some time, like 3 to 5 minutes of time to reset your instance. After that, this will give you like launch Pega instance to log into the application. Getting my point? So like this, it is giving. Here I'm having two options, but for you, it will not be like that. Okay. Then you need to click on start or launch the instance in your account. Okay, in your account. But here now I'm launching my instance from my account. Okay, so for you that will be different. Can you have just click on this launch Pega instance to log into the application, and when you click on log into launch your application, it will take minimum some time. Okay, sometimes it may take 3 to 5 minutes, or sometimes it may take more than that also. So we need to wait for some time to log in the application. Okay. Yeah. So we need to wait for some time, because it will take some time to open your Pega enablement related apps in the left side corner. Okay. So it will take some time. We'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Otherwise, if even it is taking more time, then we'll try to discuss about one business related rule, and we'll see the configuration. Okay. Yeah. And if in between any of you have any queries related to this, you can feel free to ask here. Yes, Nikita, Aarti, Samata, and someone joined with Samsung, and Sehari, Suresh. Yes, any questions from your end? Your Nabit is ready. You can able to see here, right? Application switcher related screen. Now here, do select Pega Infinity to log into application. Okay. Now open this one. Mm, mm. So here, click on this one. So it is asking you to enter username and password, right? So that here, enter username and password. That username and password that will be available in the Mesin challenge itself. As of now, I will give you this username and password. Okay. I'm copying it. Username is Decisioning Architect. Password is rules. Okay. So yeah, click on login. Click on login. Once you log into the application, this is launching CDH application, right? So CDH related portal is launching. Now, if we want to create the application, first we need to switch to the Dev Studio. Okay, Dev Studio. Now in the CDH portal, if you want to switch to the Dev Studio, here there are different categories are available, right? So in this entire menu, each related category is for different purpose. Anyhow, all these categories we will cover in the coming sessions. But here, if you want to switch to the Dev Studio, if you click on Intelligence, it will allow you to launch the Prediction Studio. Then this is one way to launch and navigate to the Dev Studio. Okay. Now here, if you want to create an application, first we need to switch to the Dev Studio, right? To switch it, here, do select Intelligence and click on Prediction Studio. Click on Prediction Studio. Okay. Just click on the Prediction Studio. That will give you, this is a screen as Prediction Studio. Now switch to Dev Studio. Okay. So click on this Prediction Studio. Choose Dev Studio to switch. And give me once the confirmation. Are you able to see my screen, which I am preparing the Word document also?
Yes.
Right? Okay. So yeah, thank you. So this is the application which is provided by the Cloud Edition, right? Now you want to create your own implementation application to work with some banking related application. Okay, let's say. Then how to create the application on top of the CDH application, because to utilize the features of Pega framework, okay, Pega CDH framework you want to utilize, then you want to create another application which is for a specific banking related domain. Then how to create that? I will draft that. Okay. So now here, if we want to create an application which is for domain specific and want to we want to utilize features of Pega CDH framework, so that try to build the application on top of CDH framework. Okay, now we'll create it. Okay, so as every one of you know how to create an application, this is the way you need to follow. Just click on this application which you have previously. Do select create new application. Okay, then when you click on this new application, this will ask you to create either build from scratch or build with existing application. Now here choose build with existing application. Okay, yeah. Now it is asking you to choose either customer decision hub or ops manager related application. Okay, so that ops manager is a different purpose, but this customer decision hub is for the purpose of preparing decisioning related features and using marketing related features. Okay, now here choose Pega customer decision hub. Okay, so this is the one you need to choose and click on continue. Click on continue. Then this will give you like this. Choose build with customer decision hub. Okay, choose build with CDH. Then after choosing this is asking you to launch the setup wizard. Now here to create few rules using the wizard, we need to launch it. Okay, then it will create data model and NBAD template file repo. Okay, file repo repository. Okay, done. Now click on launch CDH setup wizard. So then it will launch you that further configuration. Okay, now scroll up. Click on next. Now it is asking you to give the organization name. Okay, now enter organization name. So here, suppose we are working for HDFC Bank. Then in this HDFC Bank, they wanted to promote some kind of credit cards to the customers. Okay, credit cards. to the customers. So this is the application you are going to create using the CDH application wizard. Okay, then what we need to do here, click on next. Click on next. Then it will allow you to choose the domain, means choose the industry here. Choose the industry as retail banking. Okay, now click on this one and scroll up. Click on next. Click on next. Okay, so now when you click on next, this is asking you the further configuration to create the file repo. Choose next. Then finally confirmation. So what are the different rules are creating? It is asking the confirmation. Now click on start. Click on start the wizard. Okay. Yeah. It will take some time. Okay. Anyhow, we need to wait. Now we need to wait for some time. Like may take 5 minutes or 10 minutes or maybe more than that also. More than that also. This is the instruction for your information. Okay. For your information, I'm just giving this as a note. You need to wait for some time. Okay. And then it will launch all the required rules and you can able to log into that credit cards application. So before log into that credit card application, it will take some time, right? And you have to create all those things. We will try to discuss about this business taxonomy. Okay, business taxonomy related configurations. And what is the purpose? What is the purpose of business taxonomy? And what are other rules we can create? All those things we'll try to discuss in the next few minutes. Okay. So now give me the confirmation up to this. Any doubts? Any one of you? Any questions till now? Nikita, Sehari, Aarti, any one of you? Samata and Suresh, Ratna. Yes, please let me know if you have any queries till now, because from today itself, we are going to start actual business related features. We will discuss. Okay. If you give me the confirmation, we'll proceed then. Any one of you, no problem.
Yep.
Yes,
Okay.
it's clear for me.
Yeah. Okay then. Thank you for the confirmation. So we'll start with the business taxonomy. Business taxonomy. Now here, what is this business taxonomy and what is the main purpose to discuss about business taxonomy? That we'll discuss now. Okay. So here you have a requirement, that is you want to promote some offers to the customers by taking the decisions. Okay. Using the customer decision hub features. Now you need to prepare the offers, right? Then how to prepare the offers, where to define that offers, and that offers also we need to categorize, right? Is that particular offer belongs to which group and that group is belongs to which issue? Like that we need to categorize all these offers, correct? Then here to do this kind of thing, you can use business taxonomy rule. Okay. So to create the offers, and to define the category, you can use the business taxonomy. So the main use of business taxonomy is to define the hierarchical, hierarchical structure, and which will help you to organize the next best actions based on the business design. Okay, based on the business design or business purpose, you can call. So what kind of hierarchy we can define here? Generally, you'll be having a business structure like this. Business structure will have, first we have business issue to define. Under that business issue, you need to create business group. Okay, you need to create business group. Once you define the business group, under this, you can able to create multiple prepositions. Okay, multiple prepositions. So here, what are prepositions? So prepositions are nothing but offers only. Offers only. Now, what is business issue? So we'll take one business example and then we'll see. Okay. So if I have to give you a general scenario, you are trying to purchase any of the mobile phone. Okay, mobile phone or any of the laptop or any related some kind of cosmetic related products or clothings, whatever it may be, from the Amazon application, Now here, what will happen if this Amazon application provide you some offers from that Amazon application? What they'll get? If they do promote offers from the Amazon application, finally their sales will increase, right? Their sales will increase by promoting the offers. So what is the purpose? They are trying to send the notifications on your even past history or in your interest. They are promoting the offers, correct? Then to increase their sales, they are promoting all of their products to you, so that here business issue is sales. Okay, so here sales is the purpose of promotion. Now here they are trying to do sale, but what they are trying to do sale? What here? So there are different categories. Few are mobiles, okay, few are laptops, few may be related to clothing, few may be related to some kind of handbags or some kind of glasses, okay, lenses or whatever it may be. Okay, you may have different category of products, correct? So here these all products categories you need to separate, right? So here to increase the sales of Amazon application, there are different categories of products, correct? Then this you need to consider as business group. So categories of products are business groups. Now, under these mobiles, you may have different types of mobiles, right? So you may have Samsung, and we may have this one, Oppo. After that, we may have different like what is this? Vivo, right? So there are different companies are there. Even in the same way, laptop also will be having Lenovo, Dell, HP, and some other laptop companies are there. Okay. In the clothing also, menswear will be have, kids wear. In the same way, you have some kind of traditional related outfits or Western related outfits. Like this, traditional clothing also will have so many products. And handbags, in the same handbags also, you'll be having sling bags or some kind of travel friendly bags, some kind of very big bags. Like this, there are different categories of bags and different companies also will be there, right? Now here, if you take an example, they want to promote mobile cards, okay, sorry, mobile phones, which is the category of mobiles, okay? And under these mobiles, there are different mobile companies also there, okay? Now, what is the purpose they are promoting these mobile related offers? To increase their sales only. So here, sales is the purpose of promotion. So in the business terminology, this purpose of promotion you need to call as business issue, okay? Then this business issue will have multiple categories, okay? So in the Amazon application, to increase their sales, there are different categories they have divided their products, right? Mobiles is one category, laptops is another category, clothing is another category, like this. Then under different categories, you can have n number of offers. So here you are trying to sell, okay, you are trying to sell Samsung mobile phone because of upcoming festive season, okay? So now we have a festival, right, in the upcoming 10 to 15 1 week. Then from that Amazon application, we may receive some kind of notifications, some kind of emails, right? So 10% cashback on purchase of Samsung mobile phone, or 15% discount on Vivo related mobile phone, or 10% what is this discount on ICICI credit card. Like this, they'll try to promote different offers to you, right? So all these you have to consider as, suppose 10%, I'll just draft a point here, 10% discount on Samsung 5G mobile purchase, okay? Then this you need to consider as offer, okay? In the same way, suppose in the Lenovo laptops category, Lenovo related offer you are trying to promote, then what we need to give here, 5% cashback, 5% cashback on ICICI credit card, okay? Then what will happen here? This is also one kind of offer they are promoting, but they may use different channels to do promotion. So one may be social media promotion, or email. Through email they can share, through WhatsApp they can do it, sorry, through email, through SMS, through notification, or if you log into the Amazon application in your mobile application also, you can able to see the offers, right? So that all these offers you need to consider as, in the business technical term, as propositions. Getting my point, everyone? So clear about business taxonomy? Everyone clear? So first of all, even to define any kind of conditions or to define any kind of channel configurations, first we need to create the offers, right? That's what, using this business taxonomy, which is there available in the NBA designer, or using Dev Studio also, we can create the business taxonomy. Okay, we can create the business taxonomy. So this is the general example I have explained you, right? Like everyone will have touch with the Amazon application. That's what I have chosen this as a use case, means as an example. Now, if it is in the business technical term, you are working for a banking application, then here your business issue is, okay, so here business issue is purpose of promotion, and business groups are categories, different categories of promotions, and prepositions are offers itself, offers itself, or promotion itself. Okay, it's a promotion itself. Now I will show you a diagram about this business taxonomy, how generally it looks like. Okay, I will try to go here.
Jhansi, I have quick question.
Yes.
So like whatever offers and everything we are defining in business taxonomy,
Okay.
can we change it later? Like suppose you said like 5% discount on
Yes.
ICICI.
Yeah. So
Okay.
description wise and offer wise, you can change that values, because sometimes from the business end, offer will not be same for all the days, right? Only it will be limited to the festive seasons or some other special days, right? Then using that BOS environment, as I'm explaining you, like business operations environment is there, right? From there, you can raise the change request, which is to update the offer related information. Getting?
Yes. Thank
Right?
you.
So here you can see this is how business taxonomy is structured. And in this business taxonomy, you can define the business structure as I'm explaining. Business issue is the purpose of promotion. Okay. And business group is the category of promotion. Propositions are offers itself. So now if it is a banking application, I'm taking HDFC as the bank. Okay. Now under this HDFC bank, there are different types of promotions they can do, because to increase their sales or to retain the customers, right? Or to improve their organization growth, like this there are many names you can add to the business issue. Okay, then business issue you can name as either sales or retain the customers or growth of organization, whatever. And business groups are, in the HDFC bank, there are different types of credit cards they are promoting, or different types of loans they may promote, right? So personal loan, mortgage loan, 1 crore house loan, and some kind of standard cards, rewards card, premium rewards cards, like this. There are so many categories will be there in the banking application. Now, in this credit card, okay, in this credit card group, you can create the prepositions as standard card, rewards card, premium rewards card, and visa card, travel card, like this. So many offers you can create. Okay. In the same way, if it is loans related one, what you can see, what you can write like 1 crore personal loan. Okay. That is one offer. And then you'll be having mortgage related loans, so that you can do create the offers in such a way. So the structure of business taxonomy is, once you define the business issue, while creating the business groups, you need to select the business issue name. Okay. And once you create the business group, by clicking on the business group, it will allow you to create the propositions. So clear everyone? If you are clear, I will try to show you that practical configuration also, no problem. And by Monday, we'll draft the document, because I have to share it, right? So up to this one, clear everyone? Related to business taxonomy, or any questions from any one of you? And we'll see it's still in the processing, and 50% of application creation only it is going on. So now you can see in the back end, so many rules are created. Okay, file repository and some kind of files also created in the storage, like file repository storage. And you can see here data model also created, and related classes. Okay, so this is a data decisioning request dash customer. This is a class which will help you to execute the strategies using the different campaigns. Okay, and this is the class which is created on the layer of CDH. This is organization related credit card class. After that, there are different app contexts also will create. So about this context dictionary and creation of taxonomy, all those things we need to discuss one by one slowly, because today it may take some time to create the application also. Okay, now because it is creating all the rules in the backend, you can see. So adaptive models, it is creating some kind of data flows which are needed. All those are creating in the backend, related tables and some kind of properties which are related to properties. All those things are creating one by one. Okay, and some kind of interaction history related columns also. So here interaction history you can maintain generally in two ways. One is table based storage, another one is file based storage. In the previous versions they are using table based storage, but later point of time move to file based storage. That also we have to discuss in the coming sessions. So anything we will cover one by one slowly. So maximum it will take 35 to 40 sessions, minimum 35 to 40 sessions to cover all the rules of CDH with practical screenshot documents. Okay, it is not that easy to cover everything within 1 month or 1 month 15 days. It will take some time to create all the rules and prepare the screenshot document. So it is taking some time. Yes, we'll reload it. Yeah, 50% of setup preparation is done, but it will take few more minutes maybe to do this further setup related process. Okay, so yeah, if it is complete, then I can show you anything, but it is taking some time, right? Otherwise, I can do one thing. This is in the progress. Instead of this, if we 1 minute. Yeah, from here also I can show you, right? Because this is a new related application creation. This is the already existing application, right? From here for testing, I will try to show you for today. Okay. Now, to create business taxonomy from customer decision hub, we have this NBA designer related component, right? Then if you click on this NBA designer component, you can have 5 different options to define business taxonomy, to define engagement policies, constraints, arbitrations, and channel configurations, right? Now, if you click on business taxonomy, from here, means from the CDH portal, only we can create business issue and business groups. Okay. Apart from that, if you want to define the prepositions, you have to create it from the Dev Studio. Otherwise, another way, actually, that is related to another rule in the marketing, that is action rule, but that we have to cover in the mid of your sessions, because in the initial session itself, if I explain, you can't able to understand, but try to understand. To create the taxonomy, this is one place where you can define up to business issue and groups, but to define the business related propositions, there is another way. Switch to Dev Studio, go to Prediction Studio and switch to Dev Studio. Here, if you click on configure, suppose in the CDH application, I'm trying to create different business issues, groups, and prepositions. Okay. Now, what is the navigation I need to follow? Choose configure, decisioning, decisions, preposition management. Okay. Now, click on this preposition management. Actually, for one time, it is not that easy to remember all these navigations. By doing the continuous practice only, you can able to remember. Okay. Now here, this is the place where you can do the preposition managements. Then just try to create any of the new business issue. Okay. Click on business issue. I'm creating sales. Click on create. And you can see here sales business issue is created. Again, click on add to define the category. Okay. Now in the sales, I'm creating credit cards is one group. Then select the issue. Okay. So under the sales, I'm trying to create the credit cards group. Okay. Now leave about all these rule sets and all, because about this versioned, like a non-versioned related things also we have to discuss in the Monday session. Okay. Just for testing, I'm creating all those things. Click on create. Now business issue and business group is created. Okay. Business issue is sales. Business group is the credit cards. Then click on credit cards group. Open this credit cards group, where this is the place you can do configure the prepositions. Okay. Now do check out. Click on new. Now here, this is the preposition name you are giving. So I'm trying to give like 2% cashback offer on standard card. Okay, this is my offer. And here you can see below, right, average cost and all. If you want to customize your own properties, then by defaultly this will provide you a section that you can customize. Okay, so as of now I'm creating a preposition. Click on create. Then to that created preposition, if you want to add your own attributes, then what is the way we can do? Like there are some conditions. Let's say if to get this standard card, customer annual income, customer age, customer related bank related details you want to consider. Why it is not created? I'll try to create it once again. 2% cashback on standard card. Why it is not creating? 1 minute. Number of attributes in actions, reducing the number of attributes. That is okay. Credit cards, click on new. Why it is not allowing me to add? Okay, I'll do one thing. Standard card. Okay, this is my name of the proposition. I'm adding description like standard card offer. Let's say, click on create. Why again it is not creating? So here you can see standard card offer is created. Okay. So standard card related proposition is created. Then this standard card, if you want to promote to the customers, before that, if you want to check some attributes, go to form tab where you can add different attributes which you want to add. Okay. Now you can add that fields to your section. Okay. Use custom section. Then click on submit. Okay, you can customize the form or you can use the generated form. So if you want to create new section, so here form is nothing but section only. So click on use generated form. That will give you that average cost related properties added in the section, right? So that will give you a generated form. Okay, that is opening. This is the new section because you want to customize the new one, right? Now, 1 minute. Use generated form. So try to open it. Yeah, 1 minute, sorry. Actually, we want to customize it, right? Instead of using that average cost property, we want to customize it. Now click on this customization. Now convert to full section editor. Click on submit. So this is the section. Okay. So now if you want to add few more properties, then what we have to do here, you can drag and drop the fields here. Suppose you want to add some kind of text related one. Okay, first we need to do check out this and add some kind of properties here. Okay, do drag and drop here. So suppose double click on it and map this control with any of the property in your SR class. So how this SR class is creating, all those things also we have to discuss in the coming sessions. On Monday session we'll see, but as of now I'm giving you the overview. So suppose to receive the credit card, customer credit score you want to check. Okay, this point you have added as a attribute, as a checkpoint. Next, another property. And again, to promote that credit card, you want to check customers, what if annual income related property is there, that also we can check. If no other go, we have to use any of the property here. Okay, suppose printing cost, I'm taking printing cost of the standard card. Okay, then submit. So here to promote the standard card, customer credit score you want to check, right? Then save it. Do check in. Work in progress. Okay, do click on check in. Close it. Okay, now go to this one. Do save it. Open the standard card. Whatever the fields you have added and controls you have added, those are displaying right here. Getting my point? So now to receive this standard card, you have defined a limit. Customer credit score is 650, let's say, and pricing cost of this standard card is 50 rupees, let's say, and average cost also like this, like that only. Printing cost is 50 rupees. Average cost you can give like 2000, let's say. Then save it. In the same way, you can create another card. Let's say I'm creating rewards card. So to receive this rewards card, customer credit score, you want to define like 500. Printing cost is 40 and average cost is 1500. Okay, let's say create it. Do save it. It is taking 1 minute. We'll try to add one more time. Reward 500. 30, whatever we can add. This is only for testing, right? Create it. Actually, it has to reflect immediately, but why it is taking some time, that we need to check once. Because that has to create immediately only. Otherwise, we can do create from here. So in the grow credit cards, this is also one group, right? So from this grow credit cards group, we'll try to create any of the attributes, because maybe we have created with the same name. Due to some reasons also, it is not picking that. So click on new, try to add standard, add a description, create it. what is happening here? This group is exceeded the best practices. Maybe these all are different various reasons, but it has to allow us to add the proposition. Okay. Rewards card. Maybe there is a backend processing also going on, right? There may be different reasons, but it will allow us to create it. Printing cost, suppose I'm giving randomly. It is successfully completed. Maybe because of some backend processing also going on, right? That is what it is not allowing us, but definitely it will allow you to add the propositions. Getting my point? So the further related configurations we'll see in the coming sessions. Once you create the proposition, what is the next step to do it? Go back to this one, creating the strategy, and open this one, strategy related one. Click on create and create a new flow. It is reloading. Okay, I'm creating test strategy. New issue under this one, sales rate we have created, credit cards group. Suppose select the customer class, create and open. Okay, click on plus icon and try to import the preposition data because we have created a preposition. Double click on it. Now it will allow you to select in the sales issue credit cards group what are the offers you have created. Okay, now submit. So this standard card, if you want to promote to the customers, then what we need to do here, just connect this result here, do save it and try to execute this strategy. Okay, now it will give you the result. Is this particular standard card, whatever the attributes are associated to it, this will give you the result. Okay, anyhow all these things are associated with some configurations. So to discuss more about this we need to wait for some time. So from Monday onwards we will start everything from scratch only. Clear everyone? Any doubts till now? Now switch to the Dev Studio. Go back here. Not this one. So processing of newly created application is done, right? Try to do log off and log in with this decisioning architect. So you can see here credit cards application is created, correct? Which we have created newly. So on top of this application structure, where it is added credit cards, yes or no, with the name. Getting my point, everyone? After that, do log off and log in once again. Then this will give you like this. Okay, done. So clear, everyone? Any questions till now? Voice is low. For others also same. And anyhow, till now we have discussed about how to create the application and how to define the business taxonomy, business issues, groups, and prepositions. So from Monday session, we'll try to continue with the further business features of Pega CDH framework. Okay. So hope you understand today's session. So thank you for your cooperation. Because of some go-to meeting issues, we connected with the Zoom. From Monday, we will try to resolve and we'll share the link. Okay. So anything, just let me know once. Nikita, Suresh, Aarti,
And
and
this
Samata.
class will not be so only Monday to Friday every week.
Yeah,
right?
it is from Monday to Friday only.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Monday to Friday, and most probably we have to connect 35 to 40 technical sessions minimum,
Okay.
because it is not that possible to explain you the theoretical concept along with the practical execution and preparing that screenshot documents also, right? So I think you can observe today we drafted everything, right? One by one. So in the same way, coming sessions also, I do the same way. Okay, I will follow everything in the same way. Clear, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. And
Okay.
Jansi, like,
Hmm.
are we doing integration concepts? Because if we are putting like 3 or 4 years of experience, they
Hmm.
ask like, have you
Yeah,
done
integration in the
integration?
sense, first of all, you need to have some basic knowledge on creation of service REST and using that service REST. Okay.
Yes, yes.
After
Mm-hmm.
that, while this offers, you may prepare from the decisioning part, right? This you need to display on website. Then you are integrating your CDH application with the third party application. At that situations, we will use this integration part.
Okay, so are we covering this within the topics because it was not mentioned?
Yeah, because we have to cover it, but not
Uh-huh.
everything from scratch.
Okay.
Note this point, because again, to create these services and all, that is not possible, because we need to use the existing services that is already provided, that we need to know what are services we need to consume. And if you know the names of services, directly you can run those and you can test it. No problem.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Johnson.
Yeah. So anyone, others? Most probably for today only this happened, but from next sessions, it won't be happen. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.